Good morning.
Bambi, a prince awakens before the forest does. If you're late again, I'll have no choice but to. What was that?
What was what? I guess it was my stomach.
Then you should eat. Oh, well, I suppose I should find you something to eat. Here.
No, thank you.
Have you ever tried it?
Well, no.
Then how do you know you don't like it if you've never tried it? Hmm? Come along. We have to check on the other deer in the South Woods. Bambi, a prince does not.
Doesn't?
He certainly does not. A prince maintains control.